Hey guys, welcome to Coach Kime's Zen Den. Hope you had a good weekend. I had a great weekend. Back at this distance learning kick. So, here we go. Your first real assignment for career investigations. So I'm going to cover this briefly because we will have a Zoom here shortly, and I will talk about it at length. But here you go. So, what is career investigations? What is the goal of the course? What is the reasoning behind it? Well, it is meant to broaden your horizons and expand what you may have an idea of what your future career path holds. We want to give you exposure to as many different career options and fields available. So you just have a little bit more of a background when you get closer and closer to making these decisions that will narrow the road slightly for what you want to do when you grow up. So, having that said, it is an elective. It's not meant to be difficult. This is meant to be are you going to enjoy every career portal that we go over? No, but if you can find in each career portal something that interests you, you're doing it right, if that makes sense. It should be an enlightening class. We'll do some things that will, you will hopefully leave this class with a better understanding of how many different ways out there are to make a living. And who knows, maybe it's the beginning of the future. So I'll talk about this in the Zoom a little bit more. And here are the 14 different clusters we will be covering throughout the year. It's split relatively 7 and 7, and then there are a few other things in there that are not covered here that we'll be talking about that are your professional skills, resume building, just general vocabulary, how to type a professional email, things like that. This video will be embedded. We're not going to watch it on this because we will be watching it on the Zoom, but you will have the ability to go back and watch it as well. So the point of this video is more for the assignment. So you will upload a file, and you will be able to two options. I think you should be able to type on the interface on the app for sure directly on this paper. I'm pretty sure you can do that. I'm pretty sure you can do it on the computer too. If not, you also can print it out and write on it and upload a picture. That's another option. And let's start with those two, and hopefully that will cover all of our submission. But you'll have an assignments tab that you can click on and upload that way. So basically, I found out that once we got through started getting through the clusters, I started using terminologies that a lot of y'all might not be familiar with, like a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or a doctoral degree. And, some of you may have I know what a bachelor's is, I have an older sibling, but do you really know what it is? Do you really know what a master's degree means? Can you just go to college and your first degree is a master's degree? Do you know that? So what we're going to do is there's 2 pages, front and back, well, 1 page front and back, and you will answer the questions and think about it. It's not your basic vocabulary. I want you to kind of go in depth with one. Like, what is the degree? Where and how do you get it? And then what does that mean professionally if you have it? And I've always felt like while you are searching these things, there's always random facts that you learn. Even if you know what a bachelor's degree is, or a master's, or a doctoral, a PhD, while you're looking up your answers, there's going to be something that you learned relevant to the term. That's the important part, and so you'll put that there. So you'll do this page front and back. So the Snippy tool I only have pulled up of one, but I can pull up actually since I got you guys right here. Let me just associate's degree, trade, technical, or vocational school, and then major. So, as in a college major. So your random facts will be pertaining to each term. So you'll finish this, and I'm going to give you all of today and tomorrow. So this will be a more or less 2 days, because I will give you the assignment, and then we will check in tomorrow in a Zoom. But this is, and if you finish early, we're not going to work ahead, because like in class, in theory, if we were working on this, we'd be able to talk through it, and it wouldn't be as quickly as if you just sit down and turn it out. So I'm going to post this, and we'll see you guys in the Zoom.